We often get asked the question, why? Why so much? Why the excess? Why does a person with an alcohol use disorder drink so much? Sure, they can drink, but then why 2, 3, 4 bottles of wine? The answer is quite obvious, is that the huge amount of rage powering this powerlessness creates this need to really invest in the control of the target, whatever that is: wine, alcohol, drugs, work, gym, control of food, self-harm. In many ways, the intensity of the feelings of powerlessness and hopelessness that I have get redirected into the volume. There is something else to consider. That is, when someone enters a state of physical addiction, there is a natural withdrawal, which will also then further compel the person to have more. These two effects together are why we see addiction as such an awful blight, why people drink so much, use so many things, why they end up in the positions they do. This awful combination of this internal rage and pain and the physical withdrawal once the act happens leads to what is the ugliest face of addiction.